Okay, so the next thing I wanted to show you real quick was like created a trip. Well, it was created as an itinerary, not a proposal. But anyways, I say like new trip, itinerary, and then I give it a name, and I take the same name and I just put it down here, and then I write last updated. You can do whatever you'd like, but I find that that helps me. And then when I go to create it, all I did was do a start date. So I said like November 1st of 2026, and then I'll fill out the rest of this later. And then you can add lodging. And look, give you this magical email address right here. It says you can also send booking confirmation emails to this email. So I wanted to show you this. So I copy this, I go into VAX, and on this one I just chose, I put the contact information. All I did was a hotel so far to put it on hold for them. And then I just confirmed it. That's it. I didn't put any payment on so far. So I sent the booking confirmation to myself, and then I'm also going to send it to Travefy and then present it that way to get started. But you just put in use that one, preview, email, and it'll send that. And then you'll go back to the Travefy and you can kind of see it uploading, which is really cool. Oh, Sue's angry. Hang on. It might be a different email since I clicked out of it. One sec. Take this email, print itinerary, screen sharing, preview, email. Okay, so it did change that. Okay, I'll go back to my Travefy, and it should say that it's like receiving, which is kind of fun. I'm just trying to see. I'm going to stop the share for 2 seconds and see if it's sharing the right screen. Application. Okay, now hopefully it's sharing the right thing. And maybe a refresh. Anyways, oh, there it is. Nope, lies. I'm going to say it should just show up. But anyways, I'll show you what it looked like when I'm around that. All right, see ya. Bye. As soon as I stopped the recording, it started. So it says processing forwarded email confirmations. So the emails come here and now it's processing that forwarded email, and then it will just put it all in here, all from VAX with all the details. And then you just kind of fix it as needed. So I don't know if I can touch it, but I'll see if I can touch it. So I'll change the cover photo in the meantime. I'll find like a Punta Cana, do one of the resort. Oh, this is great. You can do whatever you want, but I like something a little more um, of that kind of like landscape photo. Copy the image, copy, pop it in here, and make it start to make it look good. And I'll even use to just start like that. One family getaway. Actually, I just remembered I already had in a different thread. So I had it right here where I was asking about the pros and cons of this for them. I'm going to paste it and just keep it in this same thread. This being silly. Okay, so get ready for an unforgettable week in paradise. And then it's going to talk specifically about the 13 pools to explore, the beach, the water park, kid-friendly activities. So it's actually really updated and somewhat generalized at the same time. So I'll go ahead and you can already see these have populated. So I'll just put this description here. And sometimes I take like the hotel name and I highlight it and link it. And I'll find the real link. This is a hot mess because it's Travel Tuesdays. So I'm going to take out the Travel Tuesday stuff and just get the link without all the other stuff. Go back in, and link that here. Save a change there. Okay, now I want to kind of see what it looks like, right? So it says check in at the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino Punta Cana, and here's the price. I'm gonna write real quick on the price because it actually is 310705, and then the transfers are 117. I really want to show her how cheap it was. 3175. And then she didn't come up with a description here, so let's see if I can find it. Maybe I don't know if these links will work, but I'll find out. And then I'm gonna go back here. This is Travel Tuesday. Let me go back to the regular site about Travel Tuesday. It might not. It might be hard to find an actual description here, so I can fill that in later. And then what else do I want? 39. $50 per person to deposit to I think like 15. Maybe a bowl. And kind of thinking about what's most important to her. So I'm going to put these things so she can see like what my messages are to her. So like, what's coming through the system. All right, so that's good. And for some reason, it didn't come up with anything. So I might actually play around with this a tiny bit. You can always add events like explore the beach, explore the resort, and you can pull things from the website. Like I'm like, go to the spa, explore the pool. I'll place, put a resort map in, and then this will just be checkout. And then eventually I'll add flights. She's just like more than a year out, so their flights aren't available just yet. So that didn't give in as much as I thought it would. But if you have it with transfers and activities, it will all actually populate here, and I can connect the contract here. And then the couple quick ones that I put in here are going to be like, prices are subject to change. Then I do a word required, and then um, same. Okay, and then I'll go back and get that contract and pop it there. Anyways, hope that was kind of fun for you to take a look at. Talk to you later.